Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how to put your own video into a postcard that we have here and then send that out to your list or grab the link and send that link out. It's actually really simple. All you're going to do is you're going to hover over email, voice, and text, and then you're going to click on virtual postcards. And you can view any one of these, and then obviously you can customize it. Now the one with the videos here, there's two here, so I'm just going to pick this top one and I'm going to click on customize, and I'm going to change that video out. I'm assuming you're going to want to put your own YouTube video in here. So imagine creating a YouTube video, or a video that you're going to upload to YouTube, and you might say something like, hey, this is Neil, and I want you to check out this great hangout that we did, or a little bit about yourself, or just engage with your prospects. Get creative. Um, People are going to do business with people they know, like, and trust. So it would be great if you could do this. Now, once you've recorded your video, you've uploaded it to YouTube, then what's going to happen is you're going to grab that YouTube code and you're going to put it in your postcard. And actually, that's really simple to do. So the first thing I want you to do is you're going to click on options here, all right, and then you're going to click copy, because what you're doing is you're making a copy of the postcard that we have here for you. So I'm just gonna name this Neil, and I'm gonna click copy. Now it says, would you like to edit the copied postcard now? So I'm gonna click yes. All right, so now what I'm going to be doing is editing this. All right, so I'm going to click right here where it says main content, and I'm going to click the word edit. So the first thing I want to do is click inside here where it says flash, where the video is, and I'm going to click delete. Now inside your training area, if you click on topics, you're going to notice here where it says YouTube embed codes. Now I've got a great code for you to use. Just click here where it says get instant access, and you'll notice the size here, which is great for video postcards, which is 420 by 315. And this particular code right here is what you're actually going to copy and paste. Okay, the only thing you're going to swap out is this 11 character code right here. Now, if this is confusing or overwhelming or anything, don't let it be. Just follow these steps, and you're going to notice that it works perfect every time. So all you're going to do is highlight over this code that I give you. Okay, then you're going to copy it. And let's just bring up Word so I can paste it so you can see it. All right. Now the yellow is the things that you're going to want to look at possibly replacing. All right, so the autoplay equals 1. That means the video is going to start automatically. And the size here, you definitely want to change the size. So if you remember here, for video postcard, the size that you're going to want to use right here, 420 by 315. So I'm going to change that. And that only takes a second. All right. Now, you see this YouTube.com. I've gone over this before, but every single time you have a YouTube video, it's always going to have this 11 character code that immediately follows the second /. So you'll notice this 11 character code. Let me drop this down a line so you can see it clearly. Okay, and I'll separate it out. That's, whoop, not the question mark. Okay, the 11 character code immediately follows the second /, and it ends right before like either a question mark or quotations or something like that. So it's going to be real easy. So when you upload your video to YouTube, all right, all you're going to do is grab the embed code, which I've taught you before in the other video, and you're going to replace this 11 character code with your 11 character code from your video. So I'm just going to leave this as it is. All right. But like I said, if it's your video, that's what you're going to replace. And so once you do that, you're ready to copy and paste this entire code, all right, inside your postcard area here. So all you're going to do is you're going to click on source. And now inside my browser, I've got this edit, and I'm going to click on paste. Now I'm going to click on source again. And now I've got my video right there where I want it. Now I've got a company video here, but obviously this would be your video, or any other video that you want to use. I'm going to click Save Changes. Okay. So now I got my video in there. This text right here, all I got to do is click on it, and now whatever text or copy that I want to type in, I can do that. So I can put, let's see, check out our last hangout. This is just an example. Anything you want. And that's always going to be clickable automatically. And here, all you're going to do is tell the system, where do you want that text or copy to link to. You could link it to a lead capture page, and you would have to go back to your website section to, make a note of which one of these numbers is which lead capture page. You could direct them directly to a hangout, or you could direct your prospects to an outside URL. Okay, so anything you want. You could paste your main company's website presentation there. All right, so you get the idea. So I'm just going to direct them to a sales page here, and I'm going to click Save Changes. All right, see that? If I want to change the stamp, just click on the stamp, and I can choose any stamp I want. All right, so I did that. Now that I'm all done here, don't forget to change this little, or click this little box here where it says Pending Changes. I'm going to click right there. Now this postcard is saved. I can always come back to it. Now if I wanted to send this to my list, that's real simple to do. I'm just going to click on Options. I'm going to click on Send, and it already has the subject line for me. It's going to put your prospect's first name there. If you want to change that, you can. It says you have a postcard waiting. I'm just going to say ... And you might want to test this to yourself first. You can choose the domain that you want that to come from. Don't worry about that. If it's defaulted somewhere, you can just leave it. And this part, let me make this so you can actually see it. All right, so here's the actual link. It gives you the link right here if you wanted to. But I'm just going to click Next Step. All right, and then I've got the postcard here. Okay, so it shows me that it's ready to send. It's highlighted. I can send this to myself, and I can choose every single person that I want to send it to. If I want to send it to every person who's ever opted into my marketing system, I would just click the word Select. All right, so just choose who you want that postcard to go to, and then skip 4 if you want, skip 5, it's not important. Scroll all the way down to 6, click Choose Date to Send, and then you're just going to scroll all the way down and agree to the terms and click Send. All right, so that's really all there is to it. Give that a try. I think you're really going to like the way that works.